Vinyl fencing is a durable, low-maintenance, and attractive way to define your yard. Here's an overview of how to choose your vinyl fencing and what you need to know to install it yourself. First, check with your neighbors, check for utilities, and call 811 before starting your project. Verify any local zoning or permit requirements, and get in touch with an inspector to help with footing information. Think about how you want your fence to look. Vinyl fence options include privacy, picket, and shadow box styles. Choose a color that complements your home's exterior. Most vinyl fences panels come in white, off-white, and gray. When planning is complete, lay out the fence line with stakes and string. Measure carefully so the panels and gates will fit properly. Dig your post holes, making sure they are deep enough and wide enough for the posts. Holes should have a 10-inch diameter. Depth varies based on soil conditions, but needs to be 6 inches deeper than needed for the gravel backfill. You'll want to put at least 1/3 of the post in the ground. Set main posts, the ones at corners and beside gates, deeper than the posts along the fence line for extra support. Fill the post holes with concrete, then tap the posts in place, starting with end and corner main posts. Make sure each post is plumb and level. Allow the concrete to set according to manufacturer's instructions. Once your posts are set and the concrete cured, install the rail brackets and panels. Finally, install your gate. Use 2 2x4 pieces of wood inside each gate post to add the extra strength needed to accommodate the gate hardware. Complete the project with post caps for a polished look. With a little time, effort, and know-how, you can install a vinyl fence in your own backyard.